Do you know what's one of the worst things that could happen when you wake up in the morning?
Oh no, not again.
Here it comes, quick roof repairs in Cedar Hill, Texas. Fast, affordable and quality services.
Thanks for the fast response, guys.
Job done.
Thanks Quick Roof Repairs, you are the best. Their services include roof repair, roof replacement, siding, and gutter services.
Do not hesitate to contact the fastest and affordable roofing contractor in the area of Cedar Hill, Texas. Quick Roof Repairs, 972-947-5735.